We have live team coverage beginning with Marcelino Benito. He's in the New Orleans suburb of Kenner. Marcelino?
Well, Len, when we checked in with you at 5, we were just a couple blocks down the road. We moved over here, and now you can see what we found here. Unfortunately, this has become an all too familiar sight all across southeast Louisiana, especially here in the town of Kenner. Some of the worst damage we've seen. You can see those power lines, how low they're hanging. They're all the way down to the sidewalk, and of course that massive tree just fell down on top of that home. Now the good news is we're told no one was there at the time. The folks who live in this home had actually evacuated. I'm gonna have Ryan walk with me here because there's a lot to show you on this street alone. The folks to the house over there on the left, and I'm gonna be very careful here because there are power lines strewn across the road, so bear with us here. The home across the street, the family left, but the father stayed here, rode the storm out, and luckily didn't suffer much damage. But across the street, a much different story. You can see how this tree toppled in the opposite direction. You can see it's the mangled mess here with these power lines woven in with these tree branches. Again, this house in particular was under construction at the time, so no injuries or deaths to report associated with that. And that is really, I gotta say, somewhat of a miracle out here, guys, because the amount of trees that we've seen falling on tops of people's homes, and to be able to report to you that there's been no damages or deaths, that's pretty remarkable. We did talk to other neighbors here in this area who did ride out the storm. You're going to take a look at what they experienced and how now they are left with absolutely nothing. Take a listen to that heartbreaking interview we did just a few moments ago.
Sad because, you know, we work hard to keep everything that we have, and then in a second we have nothing. We don't have a house where we sleep, no food, no clothes, nothing.
Again, guys, here in Kenner and really New Orleans, all of southeast Louisiana, the situation now, the problem that they're dealing with is power, and you can see why. Lines like this are down everywhere, and it's going to take some time to get power back up. Anecdotally, I do want to let you guys know this morning I was just walking through the French Quarter trying to assess the damage for myself. It's the first time we'd been able to walk through there since we got back from Slidell. And I spoke to a man who said, you know, all that matters is we're alive, and he's absolutely right about that. Guys, we'll send it back to you in Houston.
I saw that post on Twitter, Marcelino. He is right. We still wish them all well. Going to be tough as they try and recover. Marcelino reporting live.